Kaptiva is more than 14 years old company established in 2007 at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We are manufacturing injection molding machine and we are specialized in engineering and other materials injection molding machines. Our machine is equipped with a biometric screw barrel, and now we invent new machine that more than 500 ton machine that it's a hybrid machine with the e-drive. So it gives a long durability, consistency and precision. Yeah, as far as today is the first day, I cannot say anything, but yes, today we have very good visitors and quality visitors were there, and we had some inquiries too. We are happy to have this inquiry on first day. Let us wait for that another 3 days. We wish we will have more business today. Yeah, we are displaying our injection molding machine with a hybrid machine with e-drive and our cooler, industrial cooler. Yeah, as I mentioned that today is the first day, though we got some inquiries and serious inquiries. Among that, I think we are able to convert that inquiry into the business by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let us wait for another 2-3 days. We wish and we hope that we will have good business. Definitely we will.